region 1787. Again, I'm repeating. Okay. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, please be concentrate. On the right side, in the corner, I'm going to show you the mandir. Right side, please. There is a mandir, guys. That is the masjid. This is the speciality of Arab countries, Muslim countries, no religious dispute. No religious disputes. So when we saw this type of activities, we have to appreciate. For the appreciation, what we have to do? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Clapping करनी चाहिए कि नहीं ऐसी country के लिए? Of course, one side mandir, one side the masjid, and no religious dispute. And you know, more than 200 countries people are staying in UAE. How many? 200 countries. More than 2,500 religious. Respectively, that is textile market. It's part of Mina Bazaar. But Mina Kumari are not good here, you are respecting. Mina is a Arabic word which means port, close to the port market, close to the port bazaar. So Mina market, Mina bazaar. But Asian people, mostly they are using Mina as a lady name. So once we saw, when we saw Mina bazaar, like in the market, oh, ladies paradise. So don't worry, I am the one going to take you to the real ladies paradise. So with due respect for those tourists, this visitor, who are going to talk, they can sit at the back. आप में से जो भी बात करना है, जो करना है, पीछे बैठ के बात करें. जब आप ये टूर डिस्टर्ब होते हैं, वो आगे नहीं सुन पा रहे. सही है सर? विद रिस्पेक्ट. डिस्कशन करनी, नो शो, नहीं सुनना है, नो शो. थोड़ा सा बैठ. क्या बोला आपको पता नहीं, बाकी को भी पता नहीं. मीना बाजार को क्रॉस करके आ गए. हाँ, आबरा को क्रॉस करके आ गए. ठीक है, बताओ. So Abra is a Persian word which means way of water. Right now I'm going to take you to other part of the city. कहाँ जाएंगे? Deira Dubai में. Where in Deira Dubai? The ladies paradise. Come on ladies have to know. Yeah, come on. No idea? Gold market, gold silk. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, yes. And it is from 100 years before we were famous. For the ports, when we are doing the business, the ports in this region. The oil are discovered in 1966. Before discovering the oil, totally desert life. No electricity, nothing was here. We were depending only fishing and purse diving. Mothi. So once we are taken from the sea, we are going to sell it here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's like a jungle. I cannot find you, you have to find me. It is right. At the back, where we are going 3,000 shops. At the front, plus 400 shops. So please write down my phone number 00971. That is the country code. Double 00971, the country code of the 7 states. Then 52890. 5289020076. Again I'm repeating, 00971. Then 5289020076. 20 means 20. Okay? Got it, guys? Thank you. So respectively should please be considered again on the right side. Ruler of Dubai are born here. Who? Sheikh Muhammad bin Rashid al Maktoum are born here. His grandfather house are here. Sheikh Said house. And right now guys, we're going to use the tunnel. Is it totally underwater, less than 1 kilometer, 700 meter. With due respect, ladies and gentlemen, please use the CN seat. Don't disturb the seat. Unfortunately, if you forget your cell phone or something, you can't take it. We have a very beautiful bus, luxury bus. Everybody are feeling comfortable, yes? So right now the tunnel is totally underwater, less than 1 kilometer. Again, I'm repeating. So when we cross the tunnel, we are reaching to other part of the city. Where? Dera Dubai. Okay. Dera Dubai and Bar Dubai are connected with 5 bridges and 1 tunnel. The tunnel on the way we're going to use. So when we're going to use the bridge, then I'll explain you. Dear visitors, some of the gentlemen inside in a market, obviously, when they are offering you for the burger for the watches, don't go with them. It's not that they're cheating you, no. But once they take you inside and they will leave you, then you don't know which way how to you go. Where's your meeting point? वो आपको छोड़ देंगे आगे फिर ठीक है ना? आपको नहीं पता लगेगा आपको left जाना right जाना because it's a corner at the back, more than 3,000 shop at the front. Only the lady to go 400 shop. Italian, Spanish, Morocco, Egyptian, Singapore, subcontinental, on the top of designs are here. It's a multinational. The world #1 market. And at the back, 3,000 shops. So entire Gulf, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait, Muscat, Saudi, entire Gulf are coming here and they are going to take the goods from here and they are selling. पूरे गल्फ से लोग यहाँ आके खरीदारी करते हैं. So it is the famous market through all over the world. For the gold market, sorry, for the gold through all over the famous one. For the general item, through all the Gulf country. So respective visitor, Mr. Maddy, you're going to drop us here. Be with me in a group. Follow the group, guys. Okay? I will show you the meeting point. I'll give you the time. Then you are free. Got it, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay, dear. So guys, those visitors who are interested, they want to visit to the boat Souk, they can come with me, and if somebody want to stay, they can stay here. आप भी अगर किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, नहीं जाना चाहता, then they can sit. Okay.
हाँ
What it happens, make around, it comes here. What was
What is from the
Burj Al Arab, and then on the way we are going to use Sheikh Zayed Road. Respected visitor, be on the time. Let's follow me, I'm with you.